When we are working as a channel partner, one of the most important thing is good brokerage slab. That is a main factor in this Sellability team.
Especially for channel partners, they are very supportive. The team overall, whenever, as and when we required any support from them, they are very supportive.
Like working as a channel partner, that they should get the tagging, alright? They should get the transparency. At the same time, they should get their payments on time. So the best thing is Sellability, releases the payment on time.
After seeing this sample flat, it is very good project and very good atmosphere within the flat and outside the premises actually. Yes, the society view, the amenities and the planning, whole planning was really good.
My whole family liked this project in the sample flat, and it looked very cozy.